Save the rotation days and go. Give me a moment. 3 stations is your goal for today. Here we go. We'll run through them. On project, when you get to project rotation, you are creating your final product for your project. You're going to take your 4 things that you bought, 1, 2, 3, 4, put a picture, tell me why you bought them. So this is my example. This is in your Google Classroom when you get to that station. Again, 4 things that you bought and why you bought them, along with the job. Second rotation. Second rotation is survey question. Raise your hand if you watched the movie Inside Out. Keep your hand up if you watched Inside Out 2. Hands down. So, me and my 2 boys, we enjoy the movie. It's kind of fun. So your Desmos activity is about Inside Out. Just do the opposite. 1 step. Do the opposite. Use your whiteboard. 2-step equation. Use your whiteboard. So when you get to Desmos, you're using your whiteboard to solve it. When you get to the end, you get to create your own problem to challenge everybody else in the class. Third station looks like this. I'm going to give you have an equation, and then I cut it all up into strips, and you have to put it back in order as to the way it should go. Those are the 3 stations. Back here on the backboard, these are where you're going. So, as you go through the period, your job is to fill out each of those 3 stations. So if you get lost at any point, that's where you're going. Here we go. Group 1, you are on equation strips. Ms. Castillo's here. Ms. Banuelos is joining you. Yes, she's my boss on the campus. You guys are good to go. Yeah.
Need an envelope to share, and then there's strip. Purple strip. Okay, find me the top of the equation or the beginning of the equation. -5x plus
2 will be with
equal to -27. Look at the purple strip. Purple strip, look at the top of the equation. Put it at the top of your paper. Top. At the top, you have an equation. You have this equation at the top, yep? At the top of your paper, this is the equation? Okay. So put it at the top of your desk, and then find your answer or your solution, which is x equals 7. Find the solution you have on top.
Whiteboard.
Partners, this is new, vacation partners. Which should we have on top? What is our equation? Perla? This, what do you got? 3 parentheses 4x minus 2 close parentheses equals 30. Yes, you are. So find your next step. Perla's on it. Yes. Okay, Duran got it. Christopher has it. What's the next step? You're going to multiply, which means to what? What is that vocab word you're going to use? Oh, I got it right. When we multiply with what? It starts with D. Distribute. Yes, distribute it. What do you get for the... Tell your friends what you get. Yes, this. That's not number.
Share your answers. Help each other.
Yes, good.
Tell your person next to you what the
now we're
answer
at
is.
the part. Cover up that 12x. Cover up 12x. What do you have left on that side?
Negative.
And what is the inverse or opposite of -6? Positive 6. You know that's your next step. Go to your next step. Find your positive 6. It might look like a positive 9, so flip it over. Yes, and when we simplify, what do we end up with? If we take away 6 from both sides, what do we have? Yes, Duran. What do you got? Yes, what do you got?
12x equals negative.
Okay, do we find it? Yes, no, Miss Perla? Duran, help Miss Perla, where is it? What's the equation? Now she got it. And so we have 12x is equal to -24. How do we get rid of that 12? Are we doing inverse? What are we doing?
We have 5 minus 2x equals 17. I wonder.
So that's combining like terms. So we are
And
combining.
now.
So we are combining like terms. So if we combine 6 and x, that x has a 1 in front of it. Just Miss Perla, you are confident. Miss Perla got it.
What's 17 minus 5? Now you get your.
Oh, you're rude.
So what's 12 divided by -2?
Come on,
Positive or
what we got
negative?
next?
X equals negative 6.
So per Logata is 7x minus 2. Remember, cover that 7x.
Next one. Go.
What do we got
9
next?
like terms. Go.
And what's the opposite? Yes, we gotta add 2. There we go, there we go.
6 times 4.
And then we end up with what? What do we end up with? We got rid of 2. Yes, not that bad. Why are you proof?
Same thing. This is 6 times X.
7 is what Natalia got.
The opposite of times is 2. 78 divided by 6. Check mark, check mark, check mark. Good. 4x, use your whiteboard. 4x plus 2 equals 22. Oh, you have to. Oh, my bad. Go. I'll erase, so I'll use my fingers. Go. Next. Oh, look at you. Pat yourself on the back. I can't do it. Good.
Put away yellow, take out green when you're ready.
Good. Line, well done. Put a box.
If you guys are ready, go for it. You guys can move ahead. Oh, I got it. You guys got it.
And now the opposite of 5 is subtract 5. Okay. What about the opposite of plus? The opposite of plus is minus. The opposite of minus is plus. The opposite of
Is it 5.5?
the opposite of adding.
No, what did you get? They just
Are we supposed to get a check mark?
Yes. Oh no, not.
what did you get for an answer? Oh,
Try and
it was on 5.5.
so subtract 27. I'll try and create one of these documents for you as a resource.
Where's the other pink?
I'll turn it over to Mrs.
The
Castillo.
blue.
And we'll get this.
I don't want you to figure it out yourself. The blue. If you make a
Go. Next
how do I
one.
get rid of that? That's 30. Come on, we have students. So you may not have a choice exactly, but some people they don't like.
Exit ticket, reflect on your project work. Exit ticket, reflect on your Desmos.
I gotta go to my next
Exit ticket, reflect on your equation. Group 2, Mrs. Castillo is coming. Mrs. Castillo is coming. 2. No computers. No computers, no computers. Whiteboard. You need the whiteboard. You mean Group 3, Desmos. Go to Desmos, go to Desmos, go to Desmos. I'll be there. Group 4, equation. I want you to do hands-on. I really do. So, on the left-hand side, you'll notice that you start with pink. You then go to, you start with purple, you then go to pink, you then go to yellow, you then go to green, and blue's your challenge, because you know I'm going to challenge you every time. Wait, Mr. Stott, there's nothing on there. That's the challenge. You'll see. Here we go. Starting with purple. Take out the purple. And what you're going to do is, at the top is the starting equation. So what the starting equation is negative 5x plus 8. Find that strip and put it with your partner. You have to work a partner. To solve this equation, what would you do next? What would you do next? Subtract 8, so find the minus 8. And those two things go together. Now what are you going to do? After you minus 8, you're going to simplify. What do you get when you simplify? What was it? Good. Negative 5x equals negative 35. Those are your 3 strips. Now what do you do? To solve the equation. Divide by negative 5, and then what do you do? And then you have your answer, x equals 7. You copy those 5 strips of paper onto your piece, onto that. And we'll use Miss Gutierrez as our Miss Vanna White. So up there is also vocabulary. So you use vocabulary, distribute, combine, simplify, and all that. When you're done with that, you go on to the next color, which is pink. Put them back into the envelope and go on to pink. Work together. There's 5 puzzles. I'm coming. Go.
Thanks for watching this episode of the Curriculum Cafe. Click like and subscribe to join the cafe for more classroom tips from the TOA team.